Good morning and hello everyone. My name is Vineet Verma Rajput. I am from Shimla, Himachal Pradesh, and I have done my graduation and masters in commerce. I have done BCom and MCom from HPU, and plus I have also done a PGDCA from HPU. Besides all of that, from the commercial side, I have a deep interest in a IT line. So I did a computer application course called PGDCA from HPU, and I have also done a web development course from called .NET from Chandigarh. So after that completion of my courses, I have starting giving interviews in many companies and in many and through through many where. So one day I am grossing uh, in Naukri.com, and through there I got in my acknowledgement that something about Evisions and Evisions plans. So I started searching about Evisions and their internship batches. So I got a reviews. I see the reviews, and I got in my knowledge that what the Evision are doing. So Evision are doing some great work and giving an internship in online. So I joined Evisions to grace my to grace to grow my knowledge. So in IT, so here I learned about networking, virtualization, Windows administration, Linux administration, Outlook configurations, and Outlook, how Outlook runs and how Outlook works, and how what is Outlook, and in CCNA, IP routing, subnetting, dynamic routing, and DHCP, DORA process, and some many things, and and I have also learned about here cyber I have also learned about cyber security here. So in this internship batches, so I have learned so many things from Arya sir, from Rahul Das sir, from Shubhendu Nath sir, from Vibhushit Dev sir, from Rakesh sir, from Manuti Mohan sir. These guys are doing so much a plus level of a great job, and they have giving their every things that they have giving their valuable time and valuable knowledge in this internship programming. So through this, many people have learned so many things, and I have also learned so many things from them. So and nowadays, through the mock interviews, through the interview preparations, I have got a confidence to crack interviews. So nowadays I have already cracked one interview in a MICROLAND, and I have got a service offer from their client company from Maruti Suzuki, and I have got a 2.52 lakh package through these preparations, through this knowledge I have, and now I'm able to do a job in many in Maruti Suzuki. So now so basically I'm trying to say that Evision is doing a very grateful job, and if are you looking for internship where you can learn so many things about network, about computer administration, about Windows administration, about Linux administration, and about cyber security, and about CCNA. So please join Evisions and give your best. And Evision, thank you for building me, thank you for building my career. Evision are doing a great job too for building careers in IT lines. Thank you, Evision. Thank you. Have a nice day.